Are you tired of nerve pain that doesn't go away? Nerve damage, also called neuropathy, can be from injury, infection, diabetes, or chronic diseases. While medical treatment is important, nutrition can also reduce pain. And there is good news. Solutions to your nerve pain may already be in your fridge or pantry. In recent decades, it's been found through research and practice that foods could help repair nerve damage. Certain foods support nerve regeneration, reduce inflammation, and provide the necessary nutrients to repair damaged nerves. In this video, we explore 10 foods that help heal nerve damage, all backed by studies. 1. Salmon for its omega-3 fats. Salmon is well known for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA fats. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining the structure and function of nerve cells. Omega-3 fats have anti-inflammatory properties. But what does that mean? It means these fats help reduce nerve pain and promote nerve regeneration. A systemic review in the peer-reviewed journal BMJ Open found something interesting. Omega-3 supplementation improved sciatic blood flow and sped up recovery of neuronal function. So nerve pain may not be permanent after all. Salmon is a great choice for omega-3 fats. But if you don't like salmon, there are other options. These include sardines, herring, cod, mackerel, tuna, sea bass, and oysters. Any of these fish with omega-3 fats can be a great ally to healing your nerve damage. At the end of this video, we'll also explain how to reduce inflammation through diet and habits. 2. Mustard greens for their antioxidants and B vitamins. Why mustard greens, you might ask? Well, the most common deficiencies related to peripheral neuropathy include vitamin E, B1, B6, B12, and copper. Mustard greens are high in vitamins B1, B2, B3, and B6. Peripheral neuropathy, which usually deals with the hands and feet, sometimes means you're low in B vitamins. So it's safe to say that B vitamins are very important. But that's not all that greens can do. Mustard greens, like many greens, are rich in antioxidants. Vitamin C and beta-carotene are two such antioxidants in mustard greens. What do these do? In a 2023 study in pharmaceuticals, beta-carotene was found to be effective against diabetic neuropathic pain. But let's look for further proof at a peer-reviewed journal. These antioxidants are essential for maintaining healthy nerves. Antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, which can worsen nerve damage. A study in Cureus found that vitamin C was effective against diabetic neuropathy. However, the oxalates in spinach and some other greens may be an issue. Search for low oxalate greens with high B vitamins, like mustard greens. They can be easy to add to meals. Pair greens with salmon for a healthy nerve-repairing meal. 3. Turmeric for its curcumin. Have you tried this bright orange spice? Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation in nerves and protect against damage caused by oxidative stress. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its orange color. A review in Frontiers in Pharmacology discussed many things that can improve neuropathy, such as antioxidants. They highlighted curcumin and vitamin E as some of the antioxidants effective against nerve damage. Another study in PLOS1 showed that curcumin was useful in treating chronic constriction injury, which is a nerve injury. So are you tired of nerve pain? Try curcumin in your soups or seasonings to alleviate pain. 4. Almonds for their vitamin E and magnesium. Almonds are a rich source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects nerves from oxidative stress. The nut's magnesium is essential for nerve function. Consuming enough magnesium can result in muscle relaxation and nerve transmission. Also, magnesium is important for preventing nerve pain and spasms. The mineral is involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body. It's easy to say that magnesium is necessary for nerve and brain function. The recommended daily intake of magnesium is 360 to 410 milligrams. One serving is 1/4 of a cup, or a handful of almonds, which gets you 20% of the daily value of magnesium. So how does magnesium help nerves? It helps nerve transmission and neuromuscular conduction. A review in Frontiers in Cell and Developmental Biology found magnesium to be effective in the regeneration of peripheral nerves. But don't forget about the vitamin E in almonds. Vitamin E is essential for reducing pain associated with neuropathy, according to a study in the journal Pain. This study focused specifically on spinal pain. So if you have pain in your spine, vitamin E could help. Thankfully, a serving of almonds gives you 50% of your daily vitamin E needs. Daily intake should be 15 milligrams. A daily handful of almonds is enough to get nerve-repairing benefits. 5. Avocados for their healthy fats and potassium. Avocados are a popular and tasty food to eat. But they have health benefits too. Avocados may regulate nerve function and reduce muscle cramps associated with neuropathy. The healthy monounsaturated fats in avocados are anti-inflammatory, playing a role in controlling inflammation, the source of many diseases. But that's not all. Avocados are high in B vitamins, which are normally low in patients with neuropathy. In particular, it's high in vitamins B6, B5, B3, and B2. Though this food also has a high amount of vitamin E, another ally in reducing nerve pain. A meta-analysis in the European Journal of Neurology found that B vitamins can improve symptoms of neuropathy. With avocados high in B vitamins, they're a great choice. Persistent neuropathic pain can lead to neurodegenerative disorders, like Alzheimer's disease. This makes it crucial to get to the source. Finally, avocados have potassium. So, what does potassium do for nerves? In a review in Trends in Neurosciences, potassium was found to prevent chronic pain and help alleviate nerve pain. For nervous system health, potassium is crucial. An avocado has 21% of the daily value of potassium. Salmon has 25% of potassium per 6 ounces. For its healthy anti-inflammatory fats, B vitamins, and potassium, you can't go wrong with eating avocados for neuropathy. 6. Eggs for their high amount of choline. Many of us eat eggs often for their taste and ease of cooking, but eggs are also great for nerve health. Eggs are one of the best dietary sources of choline. What does this essential nutrient do for your nervous system? This nutrient is crucial for creating acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in muscle control and memory. Choline also plays a vital role in the repair and maintenance of nerve cells. In a study in BMC anesthesiology, choline was found to be useful in reducing pain after nerve injury. Eggs are a tasty addition to a healthy diet, but don't forget its benefits in reducing nerve pain. 7. Blueberries for their high antioxidant levels and anti-inflammatory compounds. We all know about antioxidants. Blueberries are one great choice for these powerful compounds. So what do blueberries do for your neuropathy? Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been shown to protect nerves from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. In a study in Nutraceuticals, scientists studied blueberries and found the fruit to have neuroprotective effects. The antioxidant properties make blueberries an excellent food for supporting nerve health. Another study looked at blueberries after a crash injury. This study also showed that blueberries helped promote the recovery of the sciatic nerve. If you don't know or forgot, the sciatic nerve is an important nerve that runs along your spine and then branches off to run down the back of the thighs. So these small blueberries are important for healing nerve pain, especially after injury. It doesn't hurt to add blueberries or even another kind of berry to your diet. The power of antioxidants can't be ignored, especially for healing damaged nerves and reducing the risk of developing neuropathy. 8. Broccoli for its sulforaphane. In childhood, we've all been told to eat our veggies. But that's even more important if you have nerve pain. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Sulforaphane has been shown to protect nerves from damage and promote their repair. The link between chronic pain and Alzheimer's disease is widely accepted. If we treat this chronic pain, it could prevent serious problems in the future like Alzheimer's. One way to do so is through sulforaphane. Here's what was found in a study in Frontiers in Pharmacology. Sulforaphane helped reduce pain associated with sciatic nerve injury. So this is another reason to eat your greens. Broccoli may heal nerve damage due to its sulforaphane content and help prevent chronic pain from occurring. 9. Walnuts for their omega-3 fats and polyphenols. Walnuts are a great source of healthy fats. They contain omega-3 fatty acids and polyphenols, which have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These nutrients are essential for protecting nerves from damage and supporting their repair. A study in Eyebrow Neuroscience Reports found that walnuts protect the brain from inflammation and have neuroprotective effects in several neurological disorders. If we do heal nerve pain, we also want to protect the body from future neurological issues. That's where walnuts come into play. The previously mentioned study showed that walnuts are excellent for reducing neuroinflammation. So what is neuroinflammation? Neuroinflammation is an inflammatory response related to the brain or spinal cord. If we prevent or reduce this response, we can fight nerve damage and a long list of neurological disorders. Based on research, walnuts, just like almonds, are a great food for reducing nerve inflammation and repairing nerves. 10. Sweet potatoes for their beta-carotene and vitamin C. The final food on our list is mainly known for vitamin A. A baked sweet potato provides more than 500% of the daily value of vitamin A. What does this vitamin do for nerves? First, we should know what beta-carotene is, which converts into vitamin A. Both vitamins A and C are useful antioxidants for protecting nerves from damage. These nutrients also support the immune system, which plays a role in nerve repair. We already talked about the importance of vitamin C for neuropathy earlier in this video, but vitamin A also supports nerve health. In a study in translational research, vitamin A increased nerve growth and improved neuropathy. That completes our list of 10 foods that heal nerve damage. Now let's explain how to reduce inflammation and nerve pain through habits. This will help heal your nerve damage. Exercise, stress reduction, and not smoking are 3 ways to reduce neuropathy. Try to find ways to calm your nerves, such as yoga, meditation, prayer, anything healthy that calms you. Don't forget to reduce sugar. Sugar is highly inflammatory and common to consume on a daily basis. Some people find they must even reduce fruit to reduce inflammation since there's some sugar in fruit. Now, foods affect each person differently. If you can't process a certain anti-inflammatory food, it's best to avoid that food and find a replacement. Healing nerve damage requires the right approach. Add some of these foods and spices to your diet to get the most out of healing nerve damage and protecting your nerves from further pain and neurological disorders. Do you eat these foods already? Let us know in the comments below. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Lucas Health. Thanks for watching.